Hi guys, what's up? My name is Sagana M. Canto and I'm here to help you with your math problems. So just stick in and watch my full video tutorial. So let's go! So hey guys, so for our topic for today is about quadratic equation. So what is quadratic equation? So in mathematics, a quadratic equation is a polynomial equation of the second degree. The general form is ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where x represents a variable or an unknown and a, b, and c are constants, with a is not equal to 0. So if a is equals to 0, the equation is a linear equation. Then the constants a, b, and c are called respectively the quadratic coefficient, the linear coefficient, and the constant term or free term. Quadratic and roots. So quadratic, a polynomial of degree is equals to 2. So y is equals to a x squared plus bx plus c. So as I said earlier that this y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c is the quadratic equation. So we will know if this is a quadratic equation if it is unequal to 0. So here is an example of 1. Then 5x squared minus 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. So natawag siya nga quadratic equation tungod pud sa exponent which is the 2, 5x squared. The name quadratic comes from quad, meaning square. So quadratic comes from quad. So from the word quad, it is meaning square. So that is the 2, 5x squared. Then because the variable gets squared like x squared, it is also called an equation of degree 2. So another term is the equation of degree 2 because of the 2 on the x. Example of quadratic equation. So 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. This one, the a is equals to 2. Then the b is equals to 5 and the c is equals to 3. Then x squared minus 3x is equals to 0. This one is a little more tricky. Where is a? So in fact, a is equals to 1, as we don't usually write 1x squared. So di siya pwede isulat og 1x squared kay ang x is na siya value nga 1. So b is equals to negative 3. And where is c? Well, c is equals to 0, so it is not shown. So this one is not a quadratic. Then 5x minus 3 is equals to 0 because it is missing x squared. In other words, a is equals to 0. And that means it can't be quadratic. So dili siya quadratic, guys. How to solve it? There are 3 ways to find the solutions. We can factor the quadratic, find what to multiply to make the quadratic equation. Second, we can complete the square, or we can use the special quadratic formula. So this is the quadratic formula. A is equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So thus ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 has two roots, a and b, given by a is equals to negative minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac root pala, guys. So root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then ang b is negative b minus roots of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Using the quadratic formula, so just put the values of a, b, and c into the quadratic formula and do the calculation. Example, solve 5x squared plus 6x plus 1 is equals to 0. So the coefficients are A is equals to 5, then B is equals to 6, and C is equals to 1. So as we tackle earlier, that x, the formula of quadratic is that x is equals to negative b plus minus roots of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So put in a, b, and c. So x is equals to negative 6 plus minus roots of 6 squared minus 4x 5x and 1 over 2x 2 times 5. Then solve. So result is the negative 6 plus minus roots of 36 minus 20. So ang kaning 36 kuha ni siya sa 6 times 6 is equals to 36 sa 6 squared. Then ang 20 is 4 times 5. 20 times 1 is 20. So that's why 36 minus 20 over 2 times 5 is equals to 10. So ano siya. Then x is equals to negative 6 plus minus root of 16 over 10. So x is equals to negative 6 plus minus 4 over 10. Then x is equals to negative 0.2 or negative 1. So ano na siya guys. Then answer. So check. So let's check it. Negative 0.2 5x, no, then the open parenthesis negative 0.2 and negative 0.2 squared plus 6x, then open and close parenthesis 0 negative 0.2 plus 1, so equals to 5x and 0.04 plus 6x negative 0.2 plus 1 is equals to 0.2 minus 1.2 plus 1, so is equals to 0. Then ang isa negative 1 5x 5 times negative 1 squared plus 6x 6 times negative 1 plus 1 is equals to 5 times 1 plus 6 times negative 1 plus 1 is equals to 5 minus 6 plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I hope daghan tayo natunan. And that's all. Thank you for listening.